Meaning of grayscale.
Greyscale.
Grayscale.
Grayscale.
Grayscale. Grayscale refers to a range of shades of gray in an image or video, where the brightest white is represented by the value 255 and the darkest black is represented by the value 0. In between, there are various shades of gray with values ranging from 1 to 254. The absence of color in grayscale images allows for a greater emphasis on texture and contrast, making them ideal for certain types of photography, such as portraiture and landscape. Grayscale also serves as a basis for many image processing techniques, including edge detection and image filtering.